Morning, sir. This is Harini from 2nd BTech CSC B section in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Anantapur. My roll number is 244G580507. Effects. My topic is effects of climate change on ecosystems. And case study is the impact of climate change on coral reef. Introduction. Firstly, we introduced to climate change and ecosystem. Climate change is a significant global issue affecting various ecosystems. Changes in temperature, precipitation, and weather patterns disrupt ecological balance. Coral reefs are among the most vulnerable ecosystems to these climate changes. Importance of coral reefs. Coral reefs support a vast diversity of marine life, providing habitat and food. They are critical to coastal protection, reducing wave energy and erosion. Coral reefs also contribute to local economies through tourism and fishing. Overview of coral reefs. Coral reefs are complex structures formed by coral polyps and symbiotic algae. They thrive in warm, shallow waters and require specific environmental conditions. Coral reefs are sensitive to changes in temperature and water quality. Rising sea temperatures. Increased sea temperatures lead to coral bleaching, a stress response in corals. Bleached corals expel the algae that provide them with nutrients. Prolonged bleaching can result in coral mortality and ecosystem collapse. Ocean acidification. Increased CO2 level lead to ocean acidification, impacting coral calcification. Acidic waters reduce the availability of carbonate ions necessary for coral growth. This weakens coral structures, making them more susceptible to damage. Sea level rise. Rising sea levels can submerge coral reefs and alter their light availability. Changes in water depth affect the types of species that can inhabit the reef. This can lead to shifts in biodiversity and ecosystem functionality. Increased storm intensity. Climate change is linked to more intense and frequent storms and hurricanes. Storms can physically damage coral reefs, leading to fragmentation and loss. The aftermath of storms can also lead to sedimentation, further harming corals. Changes in ocean currents. Altered ocean currents can affect nutrient distribution and water temperature. These changes can impact feeding patterns and reproductive cycles of marine life. Disruption of currents can lead to decreased resilience of coral ecosystems. Impact on biodiversity. Coral reef ecosystems support thousands of species, many of which are endemic. Climate change threatens species diversity, leading to shifts in the community structure. Loss of biodiversity can affect ecosystem services crucial for human survival. So, socioeconomic implications. The degradation of coral reefs can have significant economic impacts on coastal communities. Fishing industries may suffer due to declining fish populations reliant on coral reefs. Tourism, a vital source of income for many regions, may decline with reef health. Conservation and mitigation strategies. Efforts to reduce greenhouse gases emissions are essential to mitigate climate change. Marine polluted areas can help safeguard vulnerable coral reef ecosystems. Restoration projects can assist in rebuilding damaged reefs and promoting resilience. Conclusion. Climate change poses a severe threat to coral reef ecosystems worldwide. Immediate actions is required to mitigate impacts and protect these vital systems. Collaborative efforts among governments, scientists, and communities are essential for conservation. References: Hughes, T.P. et al. Global warming and recurrent mass bleaching of corals. Thank you, sir.